Here we'll be making some slightly more advanced point types. To do that, we'll go into the attributes for our project and select point. We'll go to our point type, and for this project we know we'll have several different sized handholds. So we'll add an option and type in handhole. Now we'll add a new point input and label this one handhole size. For the type, we'll choose selector so we can input our own options, and for the display we're going to click when condition, go to the options, and select point type and handhole. This makes it so this handhole size option only appears when you select handhole as your point type. We'll add a few options and type in a few different size vaults. After we've done that, we'll want to assign labor and material costs, so we'll go to the options for the first vault size, click has metrics, and type in some generic labor and material costs for these. Now some of these vaults might be placed in areas with concrete, so we'll need to add some labor costs to that. What we'll do is add a point input, and we're just going to label this concrete, question mark. For the type, we're going to choose checkbox. Again, for the display, we'll go to when condition, point type, and handhole, so this only appears when you select handhole as a point type. And then we'll click the options on the default state, click has metrics, and we're going to say each time we put a handhole in concrete, it's going to cost another $400 in labor. We'll click OK there, and then we'll save our attributes. Now we'll open this project, create a quick route. We'll zoom in and draw a few points. Then we can expand the action panel, and as you can see, once we choose handhole, the handhole size dialog box pops up. We can make these whatever size we want, and say this last one here is in a concrete alley. So we'll choose our handhole size, and as you can see, the labor is 1,050. Once we check the concrete option, it increases that labor cost by $400.